Hi Hops! We have a brand new contest for you. It's the Easter contest! And here are the instructions. This is a wonderful game made by Anna from Team Hopscotch, and to get the instructions for the contest, we have to feed the rabbit. So let's do that. Awesome! And it says, we want you to take part in this year's Easter contest. These days, it might be difficult to go out for a real egg hunt, but here in Hopscotch, nothing's gonna spoil our fun. And here are the rules. 1. The game has to have at least 3 Easter eggs. 2. The game has to have at least 1 flower. And 3. Publish your game with E2020 in the title before the 8th of April. You heard it right here, Hops. 3 Easter eggs, at least 1 flower, E2020 in the title, published before April 8th. We can't wait to see what you create. Good luck!